Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your vintage broker account to MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end of this video, you are going to learn how you can actually link or connect your vintage Forex broker account to MetaTrader 5 and then execute your trade easily. All right, so as you can see, we are on the platform now. This is the vintage broker platform and this is my own dashboard. Okay, now if you sign up with vintage broker newly, you are going to automatically have a live account. But if you have account with them and after 30 days of inactive, they are going to achieve the account, which means for you to reconnect to MetaTrader 5 and continue with your trading journey, you have to create a new live account. So how do you do that? So you can see my dashboard. So click on account. You can see the option home account. So when you click on account, you can see that all of them has been achieved. So as you can see here, so what do? Click on, you can see the open account here. Click on it. So when you click on it, you can select standard account depending on your trading style. Then you can see the recommended trading platform, which is MetaTrader 5 MT5. Then click on standard, then click on submit. So we are going to submit it now. All right. So or let's just say you can come down here and still add your nickname. Let's just say if you want to add your nickname or server location. So this one is not necessary. Just come down, click on accept, then tick it. But if you already have a live account already that is not achieved, then it's the same this process you are going to use in doing it. Just click on submit. All right, so you can see it here. Verify my account. So it's processing, as you can see. So let's wait for a moment while it generates so that we can now connect it to MT5. Okay, so be patient about it. If you already have accounts, you can just use this method to connect it. It's because of my own has been achieved, and that is the reason why I have to open a new MetaTrader 5 account. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the account is done processing now. And then how are you going to get your details which you are going to use to connect your account to MetaTrader 5? Now they are going to send you your details to the Gmail account to use in creating your vintage account. Okay, now they have sent the details to my Gmail account, and it is from my Gmail account we are going to copy the details from. And the same thing applies to you as a new beginner or as a new registrant on this platform. If you sign up on vintage newly, you should take note that where you are going to get your MetaTrader 5 login details is through your Gmail account, because they are going to send it to you. So when we scroll down now, you can see they have sent it to me. So we go to my Gmail. So it is from your Gmail, you are going to copy those things now. So you can see it here. You can see it here, vintage. So you can see it here, MetaTrader 5 login. You can see the server name. So you can see the password. So everything. So first, now what are we going to do? Minimize. So when you minimize it, then open. What you are going to do, open, go to MetaTrader 5. Go to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. So open it. So when you open your MetaTrader 5, you have your quote, you have your chart, you have your trade, you have your history, you have your message. So what are you going to do? Look at up here where there is trade up at it by the left hand side at the top right corner. So click on it. So when you click on it, your own may be showing manage account. Your own may equally be showing get started. So if your own is showing get started, click on get started. And if your own is showing manage account, click on manage account. So when you click on manage account, you see this option here, or get started. You see this option here, this plus icon you are seeing here. Click on it. So when you click on it, then find broker. So what is the name of the broker you're going to find? Go back to your email and check for the broker name. So you can see it here, Vintage International. Okay, so search for vintage. Search for vintage. Vintage. All right, so we are going to search for vintage. So this is the first one. You select it. So you select it. All right, so when we open it, what do we do next? Let's check if we are on the right place. Okay, yes, we are on the right place. Now let me show you guys how I did it again. You see this place here, when you search on vintage, the first one that is going to come out, Vintage International Group Limited. International Group Limited, that's the first one you should click. So when you click on it now, go back to your Gmail to copy the login and then the password, and then you select the server. So go back to your email. So you can see the login here. That's the MT5 login. So copy it. So you copy it, then go back to the MetaTrader 5, then paste it on the login. So now what next? Password. Go back to your Gmail again. So you can see the password, the MT5 password. So click to copy it. So make sure you copy it correctly. If you did not copy it correctly, it's going to show you authorization fail. So on the password section, you paste it there. So paste it. Then what is the server? So let's check for the server. You can see the server here. The server is Vintage International Live 6. So we are going to select the server now. Take note, your own server may be different, while my own may also be different. So you can see this place here where they write server. So click on the down arrow, then look for server, your own server. So my own server is International 6. Then after you have selected it, what do? You click on login. All right. So it's now connecting. Boom, it has connected. Can you now see it? It has connected successfully. So that's how to connect your Vintage account to your MetaTrader 5. If you have any other question, you can ask. Okay. Then if you are new to this channel, for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, any of my latest tutorials, business updates on money making online, then all you need to do for you not to miss out is hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified any day I release updates. All right. So that's it. I remain Sparky. Thank you for watching this video.